Today's a cool day because I'm gonna go over an app called Adobe Spark Post.
What in the world?
Adobe Spark Post is a free app that you can install on your cell phone or your tablet, and you can create stunning graphics. And it only takes you 5 minutes to learn this stuff, and you can up the level of your Instagram posts, your stories. They get animations. You have full access to your phone or your tablet, pictures, to the cloud if you got something in your Dropbox. If you wanted to start creating high level graphics and you don't got a lot of time to learn other programs or can't afford something like Adobe Photoshop, then Adobe Spark Post. Even if you got the Photoshop like me, I'm still using Post because it's so much faster. I talked about this last week. Last week I talked about the templates. The templates is cookie cutter formula that's already designed and ready to go. All you have to do is insert your text, move some stuff around, change the color, and move on. This is an easy way, and this is a good starting point for all beginning people getting into designing, getting into marketing something. This is a quick way to push out their ideas. After you see what the other designers is doing as far as designing these pre-made templates, then it'll start giving you your own ideas. But first you got to kind of master the program first, and then your ideas will come after that. So we're just going to jump right into it. I'm just going to show you how to use it using my iPad Pro, and we're going to get right into it. So let's jump right into it. Adobe Spark Post. So we got all these different templates. Remember, a template is a starting point. You got some free templates and you got some paid for templates. Okay, so you can pay for the premium and get access to everything. The little gold stamp at the top means that's a premium. You got animations. Let me click on one. Boom. Look at that. You can remix that and edit it to how you like. All these different templates. It's beautiful. I got different collages. This was all created using Adobe Spark Post. And it gives you a feel on how your stuff can look. UXR Rock Climbing Summit. You can edit your own everything, like videos, pictures. Like this is all about branding yourself, marketing an idea like I talked about. Simple, easy, quick templates that you could remix your own template. Dope. Love it. Boom. You got seasonal, Earth Day, lifestyle, business, school, travel. Man, come on, bro. You could use this for your school, for your business. You know, it's just sky's the limit. I just need you to get in there. Let's do book review. Boom, book review. So this is a way to really bring some nice graphics to what you're doing. Whether it's in school, after school, whatever you're trying to do. Travel, look at that. Food. You could also do a search. So I'm going to just type in Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Boom. And look at that. All kind of Mother's Day templates, different sizes, different colors, text, font. Just look at the color, look at the style. You can kind of really see design around what that really looks like. So we're using some icons, simple 2 colors. Nice, love it. Okay, so if you click on this big green plus, you can see you can create designs and collages. You can use solid colors, patterns, your photo library just that's on your phone, videos just on your phone. You can do files, you can access your camera, search for free photos, Lightroom, love it all. Right here on my post, this is my post where all my work goes. So after I'm done, I'll have all my work sitting there. So I'm gonna hit the green dot again, solid color. And this is my starting point. I'm going to make it white and social posts. So I don't have to figure out what's the size of my different posts. So I can just go through it like printing sizes, social media sizes. Let's just say I wanted to do a thumbnail for my YouTube channel. So I could click on and get that actual size. Look at that. Nice. You just got to play around with this stuff. It's real easy. And you could do this on your phone. Love it. So once you get a size you like, you just hit done. And now you got some text. So I'm just going to click on the text. And this is for, actually, let's do something for this YouTube. So I'm going to click on the text. Double click on that. And I'm gonna make sure I'm just gonna type in Adobe, make that all caps. I'm gonna lock the caps and make that Adobe Spark Post, not plus, Post. Boom. I hit done. Put the top in green. Boom. So I got fonts. I can resize that. I can move that around by grabbing those dots. I can go to my fonts. Let me find a fat font. Boom. And then I got suggested colors for that too. Okay. So I'm going to go to shape, and here's different shapes. I'm going to take the shape off. Move that over. And change the color. Let's brighten it up. Grab this yellow. And okay, go to different effects. You got different effects too. Play around with this stuff so you can see what those do. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna go to adjustments. You can nudge stuff over if you need to. Boom. You can rotate it. You can scale it. Different sizes, alignments. You can center it, left align, right align, justify. I'm gonna left align it, right align it. Boom, move it over there. Okay. You got the line height. This is called leading. You can adjust the leading, the spacing between the text, and you can adjust the space between the letters too. So it's totally customizable. It's like they thought of everything. It's amazing. Opacity, you can make something opaque. Opaque is like glass. Style, okay. I don't really like style. So animations, boom. These pre-made animations, you could click on one, but since this is for just an image, we're not gonna do none. But play around with that. Go to layout. You could change the layout. We're going to keep it simple, but we're going to add a border and change the color of that border. Boom. I'm going to use yellow. Boom. Okay. So if I hit these different designs, it's going to change my layout. So I don't want to do that right now. Okay. So we can add text, an image, video, add an icon, add a logo. So I'm gonna click add image, and I'm gonna go into my patterns. Look at this. Oh my God, it's amazing. Like, these is all the patterns, which is basically a background. Love it. Halftone patterns, different type of florals, all kind of stuff. Man, it's amazing. The textures you can get. One-stop shop, man, you can't beat it. You could just download these. Oh my God, it's nice. Nice. Love it. For the graphic, you can grab your stuff off your photo library, or you can grab something out of Dropbox off your Google Drive. Or you can access your camera, hit the camera, boom. Oh, it's facing the table so you can't see nothing. So, yeah, love it. Boom. Okay, so you can search for free work. That's a gradient. Let me type in something. Type in graphic, because this is talking about the Adobe Spark Post. I don't really see nothing, but you can see it's like grabbing free artwork, so you don't have to go out of the program to search for your images, but you can. You could do that, get your custom stuff. I'm gonna type in Adobe, see what happened. Okay. Not really what I'm getting. You gotta just keep searching till you find what you like, and type in computer. Nah, this is a mobile app. not the computer version. So let me narrow down. Sometimes you just gotta try different stuff and see what you get. Type in mobile. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these. Remember I talked about speed not being real fancy with something. So I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna click add one. You can add multiple photos too, so you don't have to just do one. I'm gonna pin it to the background, but you can move it around freely. Boom. So now I got all my options for that. So I'm gonna go to adjust. I can flip this horizontal. I can flip it that way. I can scale it. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. This is just amazing. I wish I had this when I was a kid. I got looks, so these are different filters. Look at that. I got different enhancements, so I can add some contrast, brightness, highlight. This is totally customizable. Like, play with this stuff. I can sharpen it. You know, it's all about raising the level of your curiosity and seeing how all this stuff works. All right, so I'm gonna add an icon. Boom, look at that oval, man. Let me see. Let me type in app. See what I get. Okay. I'm looking for some type of app icon. And you could use icons as logos too, and do a combination of different icons and build them together. Like, look at that. This is all free stuff too. Like, come on, man. There's no way around it. I'm gonna click this one. I'm gonna hit add one. You can add multiples. Now I can replace this if I want. I could duplicate it. I could delete it. I could select multiple icons. I can change the order of them. I can adjust them, the color, the opacity. Like, I could duplicate that. Boom. Move that over. Look at that. I can delete that if I want. Go back to the app. Go back to the icon. I select it. Order. I can rearrange different orders of images. Put different orders of images, like basically putting them on top of each other or behind each other. Okay. So I'm gonna change the color so we can see this. Change it to the yellow. Readjust it. Move it down. Maybe I kind of point using. Let me get another icon. So add icon. I'm gonna get some arrows. Kind of like, say, Adobe Spark. Point some arrows to it. Arrows. Boom. I'm gonna grab this one. Let me see. Boom. Grab this one. Hit add. Boom. I got this arrow. Okay. So yeah, change it to yellow. I need to change it to the yellow that's matching the I need to change it to, okay, so I need to resize this and flip this around. So I'm gonna flip it around this way, resize it. And now I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna stick it. I'm gonna change it to a darker yellow, move it over there. I don't know if I like that. So maybe I put it on top and flip it upside down. So I'll go back to flip, not rotate. Let me see. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where to position this arrow. So this is all about experimenting and seeing what looks right, you know. So resize it, make it smaller. Maybe I move the phone over, make it smaller, and just kind of wrap these arrows around it. Let me change it to match the other yellow. Take this arrow, move it down. Boom. Maybe I'll make another arrow on the other side. So I'm gonna hit duplicate, move that around. Now I need to flip this. And boom. Move that over there. So yeah, I'm just playing around with stuff. trying to match it up so it kind of looks uniform together. So you just want something that's dynamic and can stand out. All right, so these is different layouts, and if I click on one of these, it's gonna completely change the post. But sometimes you may be pressed for ideas and you can click on one of these and it'll completely change your post. So so I'm gonna go back to design. That's the designs. So I'm gonna go to, let me see. So I want to share this. So I can create a shareable template. I can share this to Facebook. I can save this image. I can copy it. I can email it. I can post it right to Instagram instantly right now, which is cool. So I'm gonna make a shared post so I can share this template. I'm thinking I could share this with everybody who's kind of logged into Adobe Spark, but I'm not sure. So if anybody knows about that, or kind of look into that. So it's copied to my clipboard. Let me see. So you got all of these different ways to share this stuff. And also, like, it's automatically kind of saved too. Not kind of, it's automatically saved. So if I go to layout, I can click on these different layouts and it can change my layout around too. So like, it's just, I don't know, like this stuff is like fascinating to me. I can change the color of my border if I want. I can go to design and the design will just completely flipping into a whole nother design. So it's kind of designing it for you. I don't know if I really like these, but you never know. It could give you another idea on something. You don't even have to think no more. You don't have to think no more. Just do it for you. Boom. Let's just go back. I like how I had it. And that's in my post. That's in my files. That's Adobe Spark Post. So get into Adobe Spark Post on your phone, on your tablet, all of that good stuff. Look, if you're staring at your phone anyway and staring at your tablet anyway, you might as well create something. Stop consuming so much and start creating something. I challenge everybody to use their device as a tool that they create something and make something. Shoot some videos, edit the videos, shoot some pictures, create something. Take those pictures, take those videos, find some other apps, and create something cool. Upload it to your YouTube channel. Start spreading your knowledge, spreading what you know. Create something, have something, instead of looking at something all the time. We need some more designers. More designers, the more the merrier. Come on. Am I the only designer left? Am I the only designer left? Come on. Create something. Use this phone to create and market your ideas and market your concepts. You don't have to wait no more. Let's get it. See y'all next week.